Need a faster way to find and filter the wells you care about? With energy domain data, you can upload your well list, auto-match wells, and instantly filter them for analysis. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to upload a well list, how our system auto-matches your wells, and filters your results. We'll also cover how to manually match wells and download your clean well list. We make it easy to upload your well list and filter them on the platform. Even if your wells are outside your subscription area, the system will filter them out. If your list is missing API numbers or well names, the system will automatically match them for you. Start by navigating to the Filters panel and clicking Upload Well List. In order to match your wells correctly, we need your CSV headers to match ours. We require at least the following columns: well name, API, state, and county. If you're unsure, you can download a sample CSV file to ensure your headers match. Remember, your file doesn't need to have both API numbers and well names. One or the other will work. Drag and drop your CSV file into the upload area, or click to browse and select a file from your system. Once uploaded, the system will automatically match your wells to our database and assign a probability score for accuracy. In the top navigation, you'll see different categories. Matched wells. These are wells the system successfully identified and matched. Unmatched wells. These wells couldn't be automatically matched due to missing or inconsistent data. Unsubscribed. These are wells outside of your current subscription. To include them, you'll need to upgrade your account by adding the relevant basins or counties. View all. This tab lists every well from your upload, regardless of match status. Let's go ahead and find an unmatched well so we can include it in our matched wells list. Click on Well Matching, enter the well name or API, and the system will search our database. If a match is found, select it, and it will be added to your matched wells list. Now that everything is matched, you can download a clean version of your wells for your records. This includes all matched and unmatched wells for reference. You have two options at this stage: continue and save results to file. This saves your matched well list to your account so you can access it anytime without having to re-upload your CSV file. Or continue without saving. This moves forward without storing the well list in your account. Let's go ahead and choose Continue and Save Results to File. Now, in the Filters panel, you'll see all your uploaded wells listed. Simply click Search, and the map will zoom into the areas where your wells are located. You can now select a well or multiple wells to analyze data. Click on Download to export your well header and production data for your filtered wells. Get instant access to AOI's well filtering and more. Start your free 7-day trial now. No commitment, no credit card needed.